Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, my moon. It's a joy to delight with you today across time and space. If you're feeling fed up with life, frustrated, angry, resentful, bitter, depressed, worried about what's gonna happen next, feeling loneliness, tiredness, feeling confused, perhaps even joyful. Remembering that you're not alone, not on an island unto yourself, but somehow connected to the human experience, the pain, the suffering that millions, if not billions of people can relate to around the world. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life, to embrace the present moment, to let go of the past, to let go of the future. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture where you can be aware, becoming more aware of your space, your surroundings, becoming aware of any tension inside. Witnessing and welcoming anxiety, gently close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your belly, relaxing your face, letting go of tension in the jaw, the lips, the forehead, opening your chest, relaxing your hands and feet, bringing a subtle smile, not just to your face, but to your whole body. I want you to visualize your belly, your chest, with a subtle smile. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in through your nose. And exhaling out the mouth. Being aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware as you take in a deep breath. And a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, releasing, letting go. Breathing in trust. Exhaling, letting go of fears, worries, anxiety. And breathing in humbleness. Exhaling, bowing down to life. Breathing in strength. Exhale, feeling yourself grounded. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly. Allowing your eyes to be closed as you look in, witnessing and welcoming all that you see, rather it be anger, self-hatred, shame, guilt, negativity, concern, or whatsoever's inside, just welcoming it as it is. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. Tensing the body, squeezing down on your fist, squeeze down on your jaw, tense, everything tense. And exhale, let go. deep breath in. Again, tensing the body, squeezing down on your fist, tense everything, tense, squeezing the jaw. And exhale, releasing, letting go. Softening the face, relaxing your hands, relaxing the belly. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and very slowly, very softly exhale, letting go. Returning home to your presence, to your awareness. Returning home to your heart with the sound of the bell. Letting go of thoughts, natural for the mind to drift. Coming back into your posture, aware of how you're sat. Listening with your full body. Not only to my voice or the music, but to yourself. Coming more in tune with your intuition, more in tune with your love that's already inside. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale, letting go. Breathing in compassion. Exhale, letting go of pain. Saying goodbye to negativity, goodbye to insecurities, anger. Breathing in faith in the unfolding of life. And exhale, feeling more relaxed. Breathing in courage. And exhale, feeling aware as you exhale. Breathing in joyfulness. And exhale, feeling even more relaxed. Relaxing the face, relaxing the shoulders. Feeling your belly relaxed, feeling your mind relaxed. As you come even more into this present moment, taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. And a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Opening your heart, opening to yourself. Coming back into being a fan of yourself, letting go of the inner critic. The color for today is a light blue, and the animal. Are you ready for it? The animal for today is a panda, and the number is 404. Becoming aware of your space, aware of how you're sat, aware of how you feel after taking some deep breaths. One more deep breath for now. And exhale. I thank you for joining me across time and space, sending you a big hug, my dear friend. Wishing you courage on your path to continue on your growth, even if it can be uncomfortable and discouraging at times. Just try again, very gently, trying again. Be gentle with yourself and at the same time persistent. Patient, gentle, while being persistent. Staying with the faith that you can do it. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.